In today's video, let me show you how to fix TikTok verification code problem. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now if you're trying to receive the verification code in order to log into your account, and if you're having issues with it, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the email address or the phone number that you entered is correct. Whether you're trying to receive the code on your phone number or through your email address, make sure that those information or your credentials are correct. Once you ensure it and know that the information is correct, the second thing that you can try out is try to switch your network. So if you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, make sure you switch to cellular data and vice versa. Now if none of these solutions are working out for you, the other thing that you need to do is just wait out for the security cooldown. If you have tried to receive the code again and again, this is the exact issue that you're facing. So in this situation, just try to wait out at least a few hours before you try to receive the code again. Now apart from this, while you wait out, what you can also try out is try to use a web browser on your phone or on your desktop. Head over to tiktok.com and try to receive the code from the web version. So these are the few things that you can try out. I do hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to let me know. I'm going to see you in the next one.